Zscaler making a big comeback in today's session after initially being down 6+% in reaction to the quarter's earnings. Really, the billings guidance. Bears focused on the fact that that guidance didn't change despite the beat, but there was plenty to like for the bulls. Strong beat, raise on both lines. Joining us now is Zscaler's chairman and CEO, Jay Chaudhry. Jay, thanks for joining me. I got to start right there. Beat on the results, a beat in billings that grew 34% in the quarter, but a lot of people initially focused on the guidance. You just being conservative here?
I think we need to be prudent in guidance. We have a great track record of beating every quarter. Our quarter was extremely strong. Think of it. We beat all metrics. Our revenue growth over 40%. Our operating margins are very strong. Our net cash flow, 45% of revenue. We're very happy with it. So I think it's a wonderful quarter.
So 6 months ago, there was some criticism, at least out there in the ether, about the fact it seemed to me like you guys were holding firm on your pricing. The stock took a bit of a dip. It's doubled since then. What's been the environment pricing-wise for your product? I've heard from CTOs saying, yeah, you know, it costs me, but I've got to buy it.
Yeah, so we are a mission-critical service. We must work. So the service is critical. We have a premium service. We like to say we charge non-premium price for premium service. The biggest thing that CIOs look for when they buy Zscaler, what is my ROI? The best thing we do is we replace a lot of point products. It is tangible savings our customer get. That's why customer buy us. That's why over 40% of Fortune 500 companies are our customers. We have over 468 customers that pay us $1 million or more. But the amount of money we're saving, the kind of cybersecurity protection we are providing us is invaluable.
The platform approach that you take, and I also got to mention CrowdStrike, which is also in the space with you, is out with earnings today, seems to have done decently well. But the platform approach and that getting rid of point solutions, how important is that in this economy where we're hearing about demand slowing down overall? We just got that warning, that adjustment from J-Bill.
Yeah, macro is tight, but CIOs are looking for two things. One, I must have top-notch cyber protection. Number two, if along with that, you can give me cost saving, cost reduction, the two together become wonderful. And we're able to provide both of them. Look at how many software or SaaS companies can actually do solid cost reduction. Not very many. We removed the whole range of firewalls, VPNs, data protection products and the like. It becomes a lot simpler. In fact, I like to say complexity is the enemy of security. Complexity is the enemy of resilience. We provide both. That's what's driving our growth.
Jay, tell me, as we head into 2024, how is the threat profile out there changing? We've talked a lot about ransomware. We talked about AI emerging as a tool for bad actors to more easily put attacks out there. What are you picking up there at Zscaler?
Yeah, threat has been an issue for a while, but the two factors that are fundamentally changing it significantly. One, some of the attacks you saw on gaming industry that raised the profile quite a bit. Along with that, SEC comes along and says you must do reporting within 4 days. And then SEC goes and sues SolarWinds as well as the CISO personally. Those things have made things really kind of saying cyber. They need to look at it carefully. They can't just say, I got so many firewalls and VPNs deployed, I'm safe. On top of that, AI/ML is making it much easier for bad guys to find vulnerabilities to attack customers. So we need to fight with AI. Zscaler is doing a lot of work, and to do so, one of the most important things Zscaler has is logs. We are the switchboard that provides communication between users and applications, and those logs are precious because those logs tell us what bad guys are trying to do, what steps they're taking, and by doing so, by applying AI/ML, my personal mission is to really predict a breach and help my customer take care of it before it happens. And it's the logs, it's the position where we sit allows Zscaler to do it better than any other security vendor.